Discussion on EPLAR, echocardiographic pulmonary to left atrial ratio. EPLAR is a simple echocardiographic estimation useful in differentiating precapillary from postcapillary pulmonary hypertension. EPLAR is TR Vmax divided by mitral E by E prime ratio. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. TR Vmax, maximum velocity of tricuspid regurgitation jet by Doppler echocardiography in meters per second. E wave in the mitral flow Doppler. E prime, septal mitral annular tissue Doppler velocity. EPLAR values are lower in postcapillary pulmonary hypertension. E by E prime reflects left ventricular filling pressure, which is left atrial pressure. TR Vmax reflects the pulmonary artery systolic pressure. That is how TR Vmax divided by E prime is a pulmonary to left atrial ratio. EPLAR can be used to triage patients for pulmonary vasodilator therapy non-invasively. It may be noted that right heart catheterization is the gold standard for differentiating precapillary from postcapillary pulmonary hypertension. Pulmonary capillary wedge pressure is elevated in postcapillary pulmonary hypertension. In a study of 16,356 echocardiograms, normal reference value of EPLAR was 0.30 plus minus 0.09 meters per second. Elevated EPLAR in acute submassive pulmonary embolism suggests increased transpulmonary gradients even in the absence of acute elevation of pulmonary arterial pressure. Estimation of EPLAR increases the sensitivity of echocardiography in submassive pulmonary embolism. An EPLAR of more than or equal to 0.3 meters per second had a sensitivity of 70%. This is in comparison with 29% sensitivity of TR Vmax more than or equal to 2.9 meter per second and 32% sensitivity for reduced TAPC. Comparison of changes in EPLAR with exercise between Ironman athletes and age-matched controls showed a twofold increase in EPLAR. This corresponded to a fourfold increase in pulmonary pressures compared to systemic pressure in Ironman athletes. It is known that though both systemic and pulmonary vascular resistance decreases with exercise, the reduction is more in systemic vascular resistance. As mentioned earlier, EPLAR is a marker of transpulmonary gradient. Authors of the study mentioned that previous data suggested that this can lead to right ventricular dysfunction, right ventricular arrhythmias, and even sudden cardiac death in endurance athletes. Here are the first set of journal references. Second set of journal references are here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.